Planning a move in Orange County, North Carolina? Whether you're relocating to Chapel Hill, Carrboro, or surrounding areas, moving can feel stressful. But with the right strategy, it can be smooth and worry-free. Hi, this is 3 Movers, and today we're sharing quick tips for a stress-free move in Orange County. Book your move early. Orange County can have busy streets, university traffic, and HOA regulations, so scheduling in advance ensures trucks and crews are available when you need them. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and moving blankets for fragile items. Clearly label each box by room. Proper packing protects your belongings and makes unpacking much easier. Professional movers save time and reduce stress. They handle heavy furniture, navigate tight driveways, and ensure your items arrive safely, making your move faster and safer. Moving in Orange County doesn't have to be overwhelming. With careful planning, smart packing, and professional movers, your relocation can be smooth and worry-free. Visit 3movers.com/North-Carolina/Orange-County/ for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.